Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. And we are going to be going over my Christmas table setup. Right now it's decorated for the fall and the holidays of Thanksgiving and all those fun days. But now it's Christmas time. We're gonna take all this fun stuff off and make it a bit Christmassy for the holidays. We're gonna start by taking off some decorations like this candle. We got this candle at, I want to say we got it from the home store. It's number 32 Indigo Island. It smells like tropical, like coconut kind of vibes. It smells good. We did have two, but the other one's like burned out, so we got this one. Take this off. And this plant is Tears. She's been growing for a while. It's growing really good over here in the sunlight. At first it was nothing, now it's like so huge. This plant started out as a small little bean, and now it has grown so beautifully with like new leaves and everything. It used to be so small, but like now it has like new leaves on it. It's so cute, and it's growing so very well. Like this plant, like you can't be like in direct sunlight, but the indirect sunlight like does the body's good. It has new leaves everywhere. It's so cute. Then we have this Thanksgiving Day. I guess it was a towel, but I used it for like a centerpiece for our table for Thanksgiving. One of my friends gave it to me for the holidays, and so I used it as like a table centerpiece for the table under the plant. This ribbon that we have, got this from Walmart, and we just kind of like just twisted it around the table to make it look like very nice and festive. And then for the yellow tablecloth, we're gonna keep this the same and not do away with it, because in the placemats that you will see in a minute, they have yellow in it. Let me show you. So these are the placemats we got from the Dollar Tree. They are absolutely gorgeous. It says Joy. They were $125 a piece. We got 4 of them to go in the placemats for our table. Came out so they're really cute. And see that yellow matches the yellow kind of the table. Let's just see how it looks. But before we go over the table mats, we have this pretty table runner, green table runner, also from the Dollar Tree, and it was also $125. And we're gonna put that in the center of the table first before we lay out the placemats. Hopefully it's long enough. Should be. Oh, just made it. Barely made it, y'all. Barely made it, but it's okay. So first place mat, it's gonna go like this. See, it says the yellow. It does matches the placemat really well. Super cute. It's cute. I like that. Oh, that came out so good. That looks so good. I love that. So cute. And our last placement mat, it's gonna go right here. super cute. I wish I would have ironed it out a little bit, make it a little more smooth, but it's okay. Now we're gonna place the plant back in the middle of the table. Get our landings right. That plant has gotten so tall, so big. With the plant, it makes the table look so like festive and like joyful, like the mats say. And the green table runner makes it like even more like festive and like Christmassy. Love how the green table runner brings out the green in the table mat as well as the green in the plant. Also, the yellow in the placemat brings out the yellow in the tablecloth. So yeah, all the colors are being brought out in the most colorful way. It came out so good, it looks so neat. And it's all from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree finds Christmas table decor from Dollar Tree. $125 per item. Came out so nice. Looks so good. We did our thing. It looks so cute. I love it. Every angle. They're super cute. Joy to the world. Joy to the world. And it sits at table 4. So 4 of us can eat at the table.